Thank you for your time and your patience and everything, you know?
Thank you, you.
Merci. Merci. Merci beaucoup. You know, the children are the future, yeah? And anywhere you go around the world, you always have mothers crying for the youths. I want you all to listen to this song. This song is from my EP, my debut EP, You Reap What You Sow. It's online, you can check it out. Mothers Cry. Check, 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 check. At the same place me come from, yet still never turn a gunman. Took up the microphone, sing with Road to Zion. Never want get caught up in the cemetery, nor by Babylon. Thank Jah for him inspiration. Man, I also be meditation. Tune into your radio station. You're another mother. And all because to the shine and glistening, to them that thought them never. To all the things that we not like it, and take do my salad at the market. Just know we not know what want. Too much confusion. Then beat up the poor taxi man. The youth them get wild. Walk one for a little island. Too much injustice situation. We need a change. This corrupt system, it needs to real. We need a change. Awful that no, we turn a different place. Make we turn a different place. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This system needs to rearrange. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To all the things that we not like it, we take no one style out of the market. Try know we not know what. We say you too much confusion. Then beat up the poor taxi man. Imagine. The youth them get wild. Walk one to a little island. Too much injustice situation. Look Simberg, let me sing this one. We need a
Change.
we need a change. This corrupt system, it needs to real. We need a change. Awful that no, we turn a different. Awful that no, we turn a different page. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do my last song before I go.
No.
Yeah. This one, I know you may be familiar with this one. It's a remake from our great legend also. You know, it's not just Bob Marley. You have many legends in Jamaica, but Bob Marley is the main one. This track was from Jacob Miller, Tenement Yard, you know what I mean? You know, sometimes you've been paying attention to your own business, you know what I mean? You're doing your own stuff. And people, person, regard, beaucoup, pourquoi comme ça? It's not good, no? C'est pas bon. So we go like this. What no concern you is not your own. See people business and leave it alone. Hear them say, Dreadlocks don't live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can live in a tenement. Too much watchy, too much su, yeah. Watchy, too much su, yeah. And every little thing them watch where you do. Chatty mouth we tell life why you too much. Watchy, too much su, yeah. Watchy, too much su. Say them too fast and inquisitive. Just all up in your business. Watchy and the chat. Oh, other people live. Carry come. That's how we call it. But I want thing that I no good style. Watching other people business 1 year it a spoil. Chopping up and kick up that a dirty profile. We don't know how them stay so. That's why Dreadlocks don't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can live in a tenement. Too much watchy, too much su, yeah. Watchy, too much su. And every little thing them watch where you do. Chatty mouth we tell life why you too much. Watchy, too much su. Hey, watchy, too much. You know me though? Me make sure stay far from them. Coulda never be me just feel